Welcome to Shannon's Big World 2019 time. In today's video, there's a hazardous weather outlook for us and a short-term forecast for Bel Air. Let's start off with a hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is for the Maryland portion of the Chesapeake Bay, tidal Potomac River, 195 corridor for Central Maryland, Northern Virginia, District of Columbia, Day 1 to Day 29. A good warning is in effect for the waters this morning, Days 2 through 7, Sunday through Friday. Accumulating snow or ice is possible Monday afternoon into Tuesday, especially west of Interstate 95 from Washington, D.C. to Fredericksburg, and north of US 50 in Maryland. There's a slight winter storm threat for Wednesday night and Thursday. If a threat materializes, it may cause travel disruptions. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. Yep. Alright, now let's move on to a short-term forecast. Now, scattered flurries and perhaps even an isolated snow shower will affect northern central Maryland as well as the eastern panhandle of West Virginia and extreme northern Virginia early this morning. It's snowy, cold to ground, especially in the mountains of western Maryland and the Catskills of north central Maryland. Alright guys, that's all the alerts, and we're not going to do a small craft hazard or gale warning. That's boring. Alright guys, let's wrap this up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel everybody. Like this video. Leave comments down below. Press the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our videos. See you!